Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the TridentDAO token. Ticker symbol is PSI. This token just got listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before you do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to go buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The TridentDAO token, ticker symbol PSI, just got listed today on, what day is it today? February 7th. It got listed today at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token here, all you'd have to do, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that MEXC referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol PSI, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. MEXC Global is a great exchange. Lots of brand new tokens listed on there all the time. This token actually just got listed as well on CoinGecko today. It says it's up 35.5% on CoinGecko. Token price today is $6.04. They have an official webpage on here, Trident.game. They also have documents on here, docs.trident.game. They have their Arbiscan on here. This is on the Arbitrum blockchain, this token. And yeah, so it looks like their first, according to CoinGecko, their first central exchange listing is MEXC Global. It doesn't say it's listed anywhere else. It says, welcome to Trident. There are our official documentation papers all in this great place to learn the basics of Trident. I could guess already that this token is translated. This paper is translated, from a different language here. But yeah, what is Trident? Trident is a 2D MMO, massive multiplayer online game, procedurally generated infinite universe video game. Trident utilizes cryptocurrency in a novel fashion to enhance the in-game economy, freedom, and privacy of the user. Trident is a new game under development by Geyser Forge Studios. Why Trident? The state of GameFi is currently disappointing, to say the least, saddened by the sorry state of not just GameFi, but also the broader gaming world. The team was assembled and Trident was born. The Trident team is a group of seasoned gamers and game developers. We have a clear vision on how we can create an exciting and innovative game that will be played for years to come. With inspiration from the greatest games of all time and the new unexplored possibilities that cryptocurrency opens up, Trident is paving the way for a new era of games. So it says there's a whole section on registering. To register with Trident and begin your journey, it's extremely simple. So simple, in fact, that this page feels redundant. Anyways, this is how you do it. Number 1, get a crypto wallet. Number 2, visit our site, click sign in. Number 3, sign the message. Pretty straightforward. There's a little bit more details there. So the games. What is Trident? Why Trident? Here's some answers to that. So Trident MMO. It's an open world, procedural, generated universe where players can explore, collect resources, poach animals, fight bosses, kill each other, embark on quests or bounties, and much, much more. When you die, you drop your items. That mechanic, alongside other R2E mechanics, make for an exhilarating experience. We can't reveal too much yet, but Trident MMO Alpha is estimated to live in March for play testing. Sprite Duels. Trident's other game modes, Sprite Duels, is available in pre-alpha right now at Trident.game for the public. Sprite Duels is a Pokemon-inspired turn-based battle game pitting two players and their sprite teams against each other. The objective is to be the last man standing and to wipe out our opponent's sprites. In the pre-alpha game, you have a full range of various sprites to choose for your team. In the Sprite Duels beta, however, your available sprites will come from the creatures that you capture in the Trident MMO. So it goes over how to play. Risk to earn is one of the features here. You can read on about that. It's a GameFi mode here. They have a whole section on bridging. So Ethereum to Arbitrum, if you need to learn how to do that as well. How to get PSI, I mean, we already talked about that. So it says there's PSI bonding as well here. And there's NFTs, of course. If they're going to have a game and a token, they got to have NFTs. So they're going to have a multitude of NFTs like cosmetics, items, and more, it says. You'll be able to earn, purchase, send, and receive them. 3 different ways you can get these NFTs. One of them is in-game. One of them is minting pages. And the other one is third-party marketplaces. So they also have frequently asked questions here. What is this chain on? What is this token on? It is on Arbitrum 1, it says. Besides that, what is risk to earn? Risk to earn is a GameFi structure that involves wagering on a player's matches, your own and others as a spectator. The protocol will use the PSI token, and a fee will be charged for every successful wager, and they will burn it forever, making it a deflationary token. And it says, is Trident free to play? And then it says always free to play. So they have a treasury, and it goes over treasury transactions on here as well. Now, besides that, let's see on the Arbiscan what it says here. So the Arbiscan says they have 2,045 token holders already, 19,143 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a total supply of a little bit over 2.19 billion tokens. And you can follow them on Twitter. There's lots of social links available on CoinGecko. Their Twitter is at TridentDAO. They have 9,942 followers, so doing pretty well already. A true web plus game venture. You could join their Discord. All sorts of cool stuff on here. Check this token out. Check out that MEXC referral code down there. That's where this token just got listed today. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.